Despite its low weight and slim design, SecuTec Genu by Bauerfeind guarantees ideal stability of the knee joint in accordance with treatment requirements. It is easier to adjust the restriction angles. The angles can be read from the outside. During treatment, the orthosis can be anatomically adapted without tools. The height-adjustable calf strap improves wearing comfort. The practical quick-fit fasteners and the clear strap sequence ensure precise donning. Patients can step into the front of their orthosis independently. SecuTec Genu now fits perfectly, comfortably, and in accordance with treatment requirements.